back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Chilla Beauty, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I achieve my eyebrow. Yeah, it's going to be a beginner friendly. So guys, I'm going with my Davis pencil color 3 and in the shade color 3, and I'm going to already line my eyebrow with the pencil. I make sure I sharpen the pencil to bring out this sharp edge so I could actually divine my eyebrow. So I'm already going to the stroke to fill in the stroke and to bring out the natural brow, which I actually wanted, not too natural, but just a little bit natural. So I'm going with my brow filler by Jordana brow filler here, and I'm going to apply it to make it a little bit lighter, to be a little bit natural. So I am actually spooning it inside. Then I'm going straight to my pro concealer in the shade Fawn and beautiful bronzer. And yeah, so I so much love pro concealer. I've been using it ever since I started makeup, and yeah, I've actually loved the work. So guys, I'm going to use my concealer to I'm not actually applying so much, but a little bit quantity to divine it. I'm actually use the lighter shade under my eyebrow, then a darker shade, which is the beautiful bronzer at my upper shade too. So right now I'm going to clean it out, and yeah. So guys, I'm using my brush to clean the excess concealer out, and yeah, so I'm going to my upper brow to clean it with the concealer. I'm using my beautiful bronzer, which is a darker shade on top, not too dark, but at least not as light as the under one. So I'm actually going to clean it out with my watch, and yeah, I mistakenly cut the tail, which actually want my tail to be longer, but anyways, I'm going to add more. I'm going to use my pencil and add more to it to make it longer, like the actual what I wanted it to be. One thing about makeup is once you're not satisfied with any of the product you're applying, please just reapply. Make sure you blend out very well. And yeah, I'm not satisfied with these brows. I can't just go out with these brows, so I started to add more to it. Yes, I started to add the tail again to refill the brows. Yeah, so guys, this video I'm going to make it as short as possible because it's just only for the brows tutorial. And if you want me guys to film the full look, please comment section. And guys, if you actually, I did this video to be short as possible, and if you want me to upload the full glam of this look in my channel, please don't hesitate to comment, like, share, and yeah, and give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.